Owning a fleet business makes you aware of the difficulty of manually tracking all your vehicles, driving habits, recovering your fleet from theft, and preventing unnecessary expenses. Fleet business generally has many problems, so why not find one solution? Welcome to Falcon Trackers. Through GPS technology, we have carefully curated GPS tracking services to offer the best fleet management solutions. Our comprehensive fleet management solution covers real-time vehicle tracking, wear and tear of your vehicles, fuel efficiency, route optimization, driver and dispatch management, and most importantly, safety management. With the Falcon Trackers fleet management services, you can create customized solutions based on your business needs. With specially designed dashboards, you can track your fleet expenses, fleet health, and employee productivity. Our premium software is available to you anywhere at any time on smartphones and laptops. We offer affordable and flexible payment plans that can be personalized for your business and have 24/7 customer service for your convenience. Our fleet management solutions can reduce fleet expenses by 33% while doubling driver efficiency. Get your hands on the best fleet management solution today. Falcon Trackers. Building a better fleet begins here.